guys, we're not on the farm today. Farming with Chef Mollie is happening at the farmers market. We wanted to talk a little bit about how great farmers markets have been for the farm, and also as we're starting to do this endeavor of the farmers market, what's working and what's not working as far as marketing. So I thought we'd do a booth tour and take you all around and see what we have in the booth. So that's what we're gonna do today. Farmers markets are a great way to sell your produce. The one thing that we've noticed is keeping our booth looking really, really nice has helped us sell more product. We collected up a bunch of old baskets and crates, and we try to have nice rustic farm style stuff to display all the food. And sometimes when I'm at the market, I'm like, wow, we really are growing a lot of different stuff. Because on the farm, it's all spread out and you don't see it in this way, displayed like this. It is always nice to come to the market and see. The prettier your booth looks, the more people want to come in and see it. So let's do a little booth tour. We're gonna start right here with our citrus. We have grapefruits and mandarins and oranges and lemons. We're moving into our avocados. These are Hass avocados. And then we have Armenian cucumbers. They're meant to be that big, and they're like a little bit furry, so we like them because the bugs don't get too bad on them. We have Italian zucchini, we have the striped zucchini, we have the 8-ball zucchini. Here we have the Anna apples, which are beautiful, as well as limes. We have our different colors of onions. This is our onion section, moving into green onions, and these are leeks. We have cabbage here. We have a storage number 4 traditional green cabbage. We have a Savoy cabbage, and we have the purple cabbage, the cheddar cauliflower, and then the Persian cucumbers, pumpkins, fennel, bell peppers, eggplant, potatoes. This is New Zealand spinach. And then we have the purple kale, the green kale, the dino kale, followed by collard greens. And these are the sweet 100s, other orange cherry tomatoes, more potatoes, the basil, mint, oregano, parsley, thyme, and rosemary. And this is verdolaga, or purslane in Spanish. Papayas, we're just starting to get our papayas coming in, so that's awesome. These are red flame grapes and blackberries and squash blossoms. This is Malabar spinach, and our Malabar spinach is looking epic. You could even do like grape leaves with this spinach. They're so big. I guess it wouldn't be called grape leaves, but domas. You could make domas with it. These are black caps, and these are white raspberries. And then we have our pea sprouts, our radish sprouts, and our sunflower sprouts. We have bay leaves here. And then we have garlic that we grew on the farm, and some of the garlics were kind of broken apart. We put these here and people can get 10 cloves for $1. There's really nothing wrong with these cloves. You will get actually more than you'd get in one of those, and it's a way to sell the little leftovers. And now we're moving into our value added side of the booth. I think it's really awesome to have fresh produce, but we'll sell a portion of this, a portion of it will be able to go to the restaurants, and a portion will go to the compost because it's 100 degrees out right now. It will wilt and go bad. The good side about the value added side of the booth is we have strawberry jam and vitamin C and throat spray and cleaner and sun-dried tomatoes, and then we have the pickled carrots. We have my whole line of hot sauces. We sometimes have as much as 8 flavors of hot sauce, but right now we just have 4 flavors of hot sauce. We have spicy pickled, we have spicy cucumber pickles, as well as our jalapenos, and then we have the spicy pickled onions. These are all great things to do with, if I leave the farmer's market and the cucumbers are a little wilty, you can make them into great cucumbers that evening, and then you can still sell them. So you're not wasting all that effort that you put into them. And then we're going into our polenta and our red fife and our Sonora wheat. and our chicken eggs and our duck eggs. And our chicken eggs are super pretty. Look how pretty they look. Oh. And we use our chickens as weed control. They're better than Roundup, I tell everybody. And then we turn around and use the eggs to pay for the feed to keep the chickens weeding the orchard. So it's all a circular relationship. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if there's something else from the farm that you want to see.